So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit letter spacing here on VN Video Editor. So once you have the editor opened up, go to where it says tap to add subtitle, press the T with the plus, and then press title. Go ahead and select some text here. So if I just wanted to type in the word spacing, I will then change the color of it a little bit, just so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see, and I'll make it a little bit larger. So if you wanted to change the letter spacing, it's pretty straightforward. On this screen right here, go to where there's the, there's these options here. Go to this option, so where there's the up arrow, the down arrow, then the three lines. And then where it says letter spacing, right now it's at 0, but if you slide this bar to the right, the letter spacing will increase. If you slide this bar to the left, it'll decrease. So if you wanted to go ahead and have it like that, you can go ahead and press check like that. And if you were to go ahead and play the video right here, which I will do, the letter spacing is what you wanted. Once again, if you press it, you can press edit, and then you can change it this way if you want. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to edit letter spacing here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.